Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set power off timer for your headphones Logitech G933. You have to start by open Logitech G Hub application. Of course, you need to add your headset to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Click at your headphones. Now, you need to go to the device settings at the left bottom. And right here, at the middle, we have power off timer, so it calls shutdown timer. Click on it, and we can set it to 5, 15, 30 and 60 minutes. It's up to you. Let's say 30 minutes, it's okay. And then you can go back, you can play games or what you wanna do. Now, if you decide to disable this timer, just click again and select Never. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!